Hey guys, it's Cubologic and today I'm making a tutorial on how to make different patterns on a 3x3. This pattern has a whole lot of M2 turns like that. So it goes like that and we can turn it and do the same thing. It goes like this, turn it like that. Again M2 moves to M2. So that's how you solve it. So if you wanted to go back, so you can do it like M2, M2, turn it, M2. It's just the same. Moving on to the super flip. If you practice it enough, it will be done in no time. This pattern has more M moves, so does the U-turns. So you do it like this. M, U, M, U, M, U, M, U, and X, Y, rotation, M, U, M, U, M, U, M, U, X, Y, rotation, M, U, M, U, M, U, M, U, and there you have it, a super flip pattern. Every edge is flipped, this and this, and this. Literally every edge on the cube is flipped. So here's the dot pattern. This is very easy to do. It's even easier than the checkerboard pattern. Even anyone can do that. So let's see how it's done. M, E, M prime, E prime. So that's it. Every center is chained with another one. This goes there, that goes here, it goes there. So it's like taking those here and moving those there, like that. So to undo that, we do the same thing. It's done. Here's another version of the dot pattern, alternate dot pattern. Every center but two opposite centers are the same. So every center is flipped with another opposite center, but two opposite centers are not. Like this. This is interchanged with that. This is the white center is interchanged with the yellow center, but the blue and green are not changed. That because there are some rules in a 3x3. If you learned some new patterns on a 3x3, please like and subscribe if you want to stay tuned to this channel, and bye. Thanks for watching.